Technology is the Future by Casey Stroh. As an educator, have you ever asked yourself, how will technology affect our students? I personally ask myself this question every day. We as educators need to integrate technology into our classrooms. I personally believe every student should have a personal laptop. This will help our students advance in their technological skills. This will also help students advance more quickly in their classes. Students use technology every day, whether it's at home or school. Every student should have a personal laptop so our students can be more creative, can learn at their own pace, and can learn anywhere. Creativity is food for the soul. Have you ever been standing in line and see the person in front of you has 1% milk? You think to yourself, that's gross. That's why I get 2%. This is like our students. With having personal laptops at their disposal, the students can create endless possibilities. Students can write using different themes by using Word. Students can create captivating PowerPoints and so much more. PowerPoint is one of my favorite ways to help me express my creativity and add pizzazz. Use of light backgrounds, white, beige, or yellow, with dark typefaces or a dark background, blue, purple, or brown, with a light typeface is easy for a large room to read. Northern Illinois University Center for Innovative Teaching and Learning. There are so many things you can do with PowerPoint, like music, color, words, pictures, and more. Students can also work at their own pace with their own laptops. Who here likes to be rushed when doing their work? I bet 100% said that you don't like it being rushed doing anything. If students had their own laptops, the students could work at their own pace. I remember when I was in high school and our history class would go down to the library. We would use the computers during class, but after class, we would have to stop what we were doing and continue on to tomorrow. If I had my own personal computer, I could have done it on my free period, lunch, or when I had free time at home. Even if I was sick, I would have been able to complete my work at home. What more digital assignments allow students that have to miss school to turn in work in remotely, reducing the inequality and allowing students extensions on assignments and missing classes. Hamel. This would help students always be on track for their schoolwork and could also add to their advances. Have you ever needed to look something up, have an audiobook to read, create a poem, or catch up on work? If you answered yes to any of these questions, welcome to the world of our students. Our students are curious about everything. Wouldn't it be great for our students to be able to do all of that? If students have their own personalized laptops for learning can take place anywhere. We as educators should encourage our students to always be learning. If students have their own personal laptops, learning can happen anywhere, anytime. Online learning can be done anywhere, anytime. Practically, even when one is on vacation or on leave, one can complete a course without having to step out of their home. In conclusion, I believe all students should have their own personalized laptops for school. We as educators can set our students up for success. Technology is all around us, and we should take advantage of it. The students should be able to take advantage of it too. Every student should have their own personalized laptop so our students can be more creative, can learn at their own pace, and can learn anywhere. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. And here is my works cited page.